All right, folks, we got another beautiful car on a beautiful day. It's a 2012 Audi. It's a Q7 Prestige TDI. So it is the top of the food chain in terms of models. It's the right one, the Prestige pack with the cooled seats, panoramic roof, third row seating, power rear gate, trailer tow pack, TDI 6-cylinder 3-liter diesel, panoramic roof, Bose sound system, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, triple panel sunroof. Oh, just a nice car, folks. Guaranteed credit approval in full effect right here. Starting down payment on the diesels, we're going to go around $19.95. Nice car, well done, all serviced up. All the recall emissions have been handled on this one. And she's ready to roll. GasCleveland.com.